A close-up. My leave-in conditioner recipe will leave your roots laid. With minimal to no frizz, I've been making this leave-in for 1 year. This is my solution to frizz-free roots, bomb definition, hair growth, less shedding, and keeping a healthy scalp. The recipe starts with 2 cups of water. Bring that to a boil and add a 1/4 cup of Slippery Elm Root and then a 1/4 cup of Marshmallow Root. Let it boil on medium heat for 10 to 15 minutes or until the liquid has been reduced to almost half. Then add fresh aloe vera. I'm using about a 1/4 cup to 1/3 cup. If you don't have fresh aloe vera, you can go ahead and use bottled aloe vera gel, but definitely add that towards the end. You don't have to put that in the pot. After I add it, I like to mash it down just to break it down so it can mix easier and let it cook down for about 2 to 5 minutes maximum. Now onto the herbs. The star of this show, you already know, is the hibiscus flower. I can never do my leave-in without this herb, and I'm using 1 tablespoon. Then, half a tablespoon of burdock root, 1 tablespoon of Ginkgo, half a tablespoon of horsetail leaves, half a tablespoon of Moringa powder, and half a tablespoon of cloves. Turn off the heat, then add all the herbs into the pot and stir it until you get that beautiful deep red burgundy color the hibiscus will give you. And please don't worry, this will not dye your hair. The hibiscus leave-in conditioner will minimize your hair loss, slow premature graying, treat dandruff, fight frizzy roots, strengthen your hair, boost hair growth, and add moisture and shine to your strands. Strain the mixture, and for any leftovers, I like to add that to the blender just to break it down more. Then I will strain it through a stocking cap, and then for the full liquid, I'm going to put that through a cheesecloth. Yes, I strain 3 times. It may seem a little bit like I'm overdoing it, but trust me, I do not have time to be picking little bitty bits out of my hair. I ain't got time for that. If your mixture comes out too runny, no worries, put it in the fridge, allow it to cool. It should thicken up. If not, just add a little bit more aloe vera gel to it. And that is why I strain 3 times. Make sure the leave-in is cooled before applying it to your hair. I like to keep it in the fridge for 1 to 2 hours prior to applying to my hair because I love that cooling sensation that I feel on my scalp. If you have any leftovers after applying it to your hair, go ahead and freeze it for up to 3 to 4 weeks maximum. It's best to apply the hibiscus leave-in conditioner to soak in wet hair, so I do this in the shower right after cleansing and deep conditioning my hair. Apply it all over from your scalp to your roots, making sure you're smoothing down your roots as you're applying it. That is very important. If you want flat roots, you have to really smooth the product in, making sure you're working your roots in a downward motion. Finger to tangle, make sure every strand is coated. To finish my styling, I applied Jamaican black castor oil, then a botanical gel. That method will hold my curls for 7 days straight or more. If you love this recipe, go ahead and check out my 2 previous DIY hibiscus leave-in conditioner videos. The recipes are slightly different, but with the same amazing results. As always, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you for the next video. Bye, guys.